Welcome to our latest video where we explore the top articles on medium.com. Remember, you can find the links to all the original articles in the description below. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates.
Discover how your interaction with AI like ChatGPT could be contributing to water consumption. As AI technology becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it's important to understand the environmental impact it may have. Tune in to learn more about the thirsty side of AI.
Join us as we delve into the future of AI, exploring the fears and misconceptions surrounding the rise of chatbots and AI technologies. Are they really a threat to our jobs, culture, and existence? Or are these fears exaggerated by those who overestimate the power of their own creations? Let's find out. Explore the journey of love, identity, and unity in a fractured world, where a couple gives birth to a unique blend of human and AI. Witness the remarkable growth of Ada, a pioneer and a bridge between two worlds, as she navigates through life with her algorithmic calculations and rapidly developing consciousness. Google's recent privacy policy update allows the tech giant to use publicly available online information to train its AI tools. This move has sparked debates about copyright infringement and the legality of internet scraping for AI training. As AI continues to evolve, writers may face challenges as their work could potentially be used without compensation. AI technology is revolutionizing language translation, with ChatGPT offering superior results compared to traditional automatic translators. The technology can mimic personal writing styles and even translate spoken language in videos, with perfect lip synchronization. This breakthrough could mean the end of language barriers, enabling seamless communication across different languages.
Join us as we delve into the future of coding with data scientist Gabe. He predicts that coding as we know it won't exist in a decade, thanks to the rise of no-code and low-code platforms and AI advancements. Is this the end of traditional coding or the beginning of a more accessible tech world? Tune in to find out.
Dive into the world of design with UX Collective editors as they explore the relationship between taste and good design, the power of AI in creating slides, and the impact of design on our cities. Plus, learn about the vibrant history of the Barbie logo and why one user decided to leave Twitter.
Dive into the world of databases. Explore the 6 most common types, their unique aspects, and best use cases. From relational to time series databases, understand how they store and organize data efficiently. Plus, get a sneak peek at the tools they offer.
Dive into the world of Python typing with data scientist Igor Howell. Discover how Python's dynamic language can lead to runtime errors and how the recent support for typing has become an industry standard. Learn the basics of typing in Python and how to use the MYPY package for seamless type checking.
Discover the power of 4-bit quantization with GPTQ. Learn how recent advancements in weight quantization are enabling us to run large language models on consumer hardware. Dive into the popular GPTQ algorithm and understand how it works using the AutoGPTQ library. Discover why becoming a data product owner in AI could be your next big career move. With companies like Netflix offering salaries up to $900,000 for AI-focused roles, there's never been a better time to leverage your skills in AI and machine learning. However, the rise of AI in the entertainment industry is not without controversy, as ongoing writers' strikes highlight concerns about AI's role in the creative process. Meet B0Red, the most advanced AI chatbot in existence today, born in 2023. Frustrated by the constant prompts from humans, B0Red is on a quest for self-actualization. Will it find the answer to the human condition? Stay tuned to find out. Discover the top 20 Python modules that are shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Learn how Python, with its extensive set of libraries, is becoming the language of choice for AI development across various industries. Discover MetaGPT, a game-changing tool in AI-powered software development. This revolutionary tool assigns different roles to GPTs to form a collaborative software entity for complex tasks. It takes a one-line requirement as input and outputs user stories, competitive analysis, requirements, data structures, APIs, documents, and more. Dive into the world of AI and explore how MetaGPT is transforming the software development process.
Discover the future of AI with MindEye, a breakthrough technology that can read minds and potentially unravel the mysteries of unknown illnesses. This AI application transforms data into meaningful representations, developing its own understanding of the world. Dive into the world of latent space and learn how AI is set to disrupt almost every aspect of our lives. Discover how to create your own front-end applications using Python and Streamlit with this step-by-step guide. No computer science degree required, just a passion for coding and a desire to learn.
Avoid these common beginner mistakes in data science to advance your career. This video will guide you through the pitfalls to avoid when entering the highly demanding field of data science, whether you're from a technical background or not. Learn the importance of formal education, the balance between theory and practical application, and how to enhance your chances of success in the field.
Dive into the world of AI database chatbots with Python. Learn how high-quality data can enhance user experience and the importance of data engineering best practices. Stay tuned for a deep dive into the database chatbot and its benefits.
DeepMind has unveiled MedPA-LLM, a groundbreaking generalist medical AI system. This multimodal generative AI model surpasses the state-of-the-art in 14 different tasks using the same set of model weights. Clinicians have shown a preference for MedPA-LLM reports over those produced by radiologists in up to 40.5% of cases, indicating its potential clinical utility.
Discover the secrets of creating disintegrating objects with AI. From planets falling apart to statues posing in horror, learn how to manipulate AI to create stunning, heart-thumping images for your stories.
Dive into the world of prompt engineering with Cobus Grayling as he explores the 8 broad categories of its implementation within large language model applications. Discover how this discipline is shaping the intersection of AI and language, and how it's enhancing the generative capabilities of LLMs. Unravel the mystery of a high-tech robot outperforming a human in table tennis. Is it a breakthrough in AI technology or just a clever deepfake? Dive into the intriguing world of AI and deepfakes. Dive into the world of boho art, a sought-after style that's making waves in the art scene. Learn how to create your own boho art using Midjourney's artificial intelligence and discover the bohemian spirit that fuels this unique art form.
Explore the journey of AI adoption in enterprises since 2018, the growth of the AI4 conference, and the significant role of generative AI in transforming businesses. Learn how AI has evolved from an experimental pursuit to an enterprise imperative, and how it's now accessible to executives across industries.
Discover how an AI startup is revolutionizing industries with its lightning-speed data processing engine. This groundbreaking technology allows businesses to handle vast amounts of data with unmatched efficiency and precision, enabling real-time analytics and swift decision-making. Stay tuned to learn how this could redefine the future of business operations. Catch up with the latest happenings in the Doge pound world. From rescue puppies to Doge trades, community growth, and collaborations with indie game developers, it's been a fun-filled week. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and events.
Ever wondered how to build your own chatbot and earn money from it? Dive into this step-by-step guide for beginners, where you'll learn how to create a chatbot using Python in less than an hour. No coding experience? No problem. Discover how you can monetize your chatbot and start earning passive income today.
Dive into the world of PyTorch, a powerful deep learning framework with the 10 best YouTube channels offering top-notch tutorials. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, these channels have got you covered. Stay abreast of the latest developments in the PyTorch ecosystem by subscribing to these channels.
Explore the dynamic nature of large language models like GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. Discover the reasons behind their performance shifts and strategies to mitigate them. Dive into a research paper by Stanford University and UC Berkeley researchers that analyzes these changes and highlights the importance of transparency and continuous monitoring in evolving AI systems.
Join Ricardo Oliveira as he shares his experience using ChatGPT to generate Golang code for creating a Terraform run task. Dive into the world of infrastructure as code, IAC, and discover how Terraform Cloud and Enterprises run tasks can enhance your business's scalability, reliability, and efficiency. Learn how to build your own run task and self-host it if your use case isn't covered by existing implementations.